What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we're looking at the Pockfog. This is actually a really cool little addition to those who like to enjoy a little whiskey or wine or something at the end of the day. This is going to give you a nice smoke chamber and even some LED lighting to set the mood. It's going to give put a little wood smoke kind of taste to it, as well as being able to physically actually see the smoke as well. It's a really cool effect. So here I've got a very YouTube-friendly non-alcoholic drink, and we're going to open up the Pockfog and try it out. This is specifically for whiskey and things like that. I would personally recommend maybe a Devil's Cut whiskey, a Jim Beam. Devil's Cut and Angel's Cut are actually pulling the oak flavor from the barrel. So Angel's Cut is the condensation that's on the inside of the barrel. Devil's Cut is the actual liquid that's pulled out of the wood itself. So this is actually a really nice addition to that because you get some additional wood chips in here that are going to add to that flavor. So let's go ahead and open up the device and see what's inside. We have the Pockfog itself. So let's go ahead and take all this plastic off. And we've got a very nice one size fits all kind of device here. You just drop it on top. It's got some LED lights on the bottom as well as the actual smoker mechanism inside. So let's set this aside and continue going through the box. Now this is cool. There's actually some suggestions. Again, with the oak here, oak wood is good with smoked vanilla rye cocktails. Cherry wood is good for smoked cherry liqueur martinis. And they have a bunch of really cool recipes here for types of drinks you could use this with. That's a nice little touch. Now here we've got the wood chips. So they give you individual little containers here. So I'm going to pull all of these out. And you can see it has the nice little packaging there as well. And these are all different types of wood. So we have oak, which, as I mentioned, would go good with like that Devil's Cut or Angel's Cut whiskey. We have cherry, applewood, maple, hickory, and beech. So you can choose any kind of flavor you'd like to add to this. And then based on that, you can just put a little scoop in and get the smoking started. In terms of accessories, we have our wood tongs here. You can use this to actually grab a little scoop and drop it in. That way you don't use too much. We have a nice, really nice feeling case here with the Pockfog logo on the side. We have what looks like a replacement filter or smoke unit, a USB-C cable, and a little brush. So for this, it's actually just Coca-Cola. So I'm going to use a cherry wood, just because, you know, cherry Coke, why not? That makes sense, right? Let's open this up and we see we have some real wood chips here. These are actual wood chips. And on the side of the device, there's a little lock here that's going to shoot out the chamber. It's really going to shoot it out, that's for sure. And then in order to put it back in, you just drop this in and it is locked back in. But yeah, if you press that, it's going to shoot out. So we're going to go ahead and open up this chamber here. There we go. And we're going to grab some of these wood chips. Just a very small amount here because I'm only doing one drink. And just like that, we can close this back up. Now we're going to place this back inside and snap it into place. That looks good. Once it's locked, we're going to place it on top and hold this power button. Looks like we actually got to charge it. All right, so we're back with a charged device. We're going to put this on top and press the power button here for just a few seconds. And you'll see that it's currently at 15. So how do we use this? You can switch the time from 15 to 20 or 10 seconds. We'll set ours to 10 seconds. We can press the lighting mode to change the kind of lighting that is applied here. And then we can press the smoker button and it'll turn on. And now we can just kind of hang out and watch it go. It's going to start counting down. We can already see some smoke coming down. This looks really, really cool. And the smell is really nice too. So that is done. And now when I lift this off, look at how nice that looks. That is super, super cool. We lift this up and nice smoky taste on top of my Coca-Cola here. But if I was drinking a whiskey, I can tell you that would complement it very, very well. But yeah, that's all there is to it. You just press the button and it creates some smoke underneath of whatever kind you'd like. We have all these different, we've got hickory, we've got apple, we've got beech, we've got maple, we've got oak, any kind of smoke you'd like to put on top of this, you can. Now, is this bougie? Absolutely. Is it cool? Definitely. I really think this is awesome. If you host kind of like drinking nights or nights where you just hang out and have a bit of whiskey with friends and everything, I think this is a really fun little way to be extra and have some fun. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Pockfog for sending this out. You'll definitely see this in more of my videos coming up, especially on other social media platforms where I actually can drink those other things. But thank you so much for watching. I'll put a link to this in the description below. And as always, have a good one. Peace.